And a lot of companies say there's a race to the bottom in the asbestos industry,
Yeah.
that the big companies drive down the price of surveys. They demand, lots and lots of surveys from surveyors, and it's kind of unsustainable, right? What's your take on all that?
Yeah, well, it's all that and more. It's just become this very sort of mass production line sausage factory mentality. If like when I got into it in '94, it was like very much seen as a professional sort of science-based career.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it was a career move, and ultimately you're getting trained up to be an actual consultant and have competent conversations with a client and advise them. But now though, it's just, stack 'em high, sell 'em cheap. It's a housing market is like 6, 8, 10 houses a day. I know there's companies out there doing them for 50 quid. And it's like, how give people a break. Like to do a survey at that cost, you're cutting corners to get it done. But if people are willing to do that, then clients are willing to pay that. And that's like, it's just this endless cycle of poor surveys having to be redone again, poor clearances and removal work having to be recleaned again. It's no wonder that like the industry gets like a bit of a snake oil reputation, doesn't it? So, that's again one of the reasons why I set Amiga up, to try and do something to buck the trend and, and become a specialist in a few certain areas rather than a generalist to everyone. And then you're not competing in like the awful mass market. You can sort of pull yourself aside and be seen as like, a specialist to a few.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean?